Forno Appliances introduces the new outdoor kitchen set model 2520. Cook, chill, and entertain with this full-featured 40-inch outdoor kitchen set, featuring 304 stainless steel burners, elegant white sintered stone countertops, side burner, rotisserie kit, beverage center, halogen lights, and a roomy 38 by 18-inch grill surface for serious outdoor feasts. Large and robust bar shelf that is also detachable. Never run out of cold drinks with the handy 1.8 cubic feet beverage center, perfect for keeping everyone refreshed. Keep an eye on your cooking with an accurate temperature gauge and a dependable pulse ignition for safe cooking. Whether you're searing steaks or grilling veggies, the combination of the sear or rotisserie infrared and the 5 main burners gives you the flexibility to cook it all to perfection. Expand your menu with the included rotisserie kit, ideal for slow roasting meats to juicy perfection. Gather your family, friends, and neighbors for a feast. The 38 by 18-inch surface offers plenty of space to cook everything without the weight. Includes a movable corner pantry with shelves and handle. Keep the party going after dark with integrated halogen lights, illuminated knobs that make nighttime grilling a breeze. Need extra space for sauces or sides? The 11,000 BTU side burner has you covered, right next to where the main action happens. Features 3 drawers cabinets for convenient storage of grilling tools and accessories, keeping everything you need within easy reach. Cleanup is a snap with the easily accessible grease tray. A built-in trash bin and a cabinet sink with a stainless steel faucet for quick cleanups. Setting up is straightforward with the included propane hose and regulator. The 2520 model comes in black or white countertops. Includes a weather cover, propane hose, regulator, and tank holder. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.